Alright, good morning everybody. This morning we're camping at Raven Rock State Park and wanted to make a breakfast recipe. It's a French toast that doesn't use any eggs. Or what you need is a pretty ripe banana. You're gonna need a can of coconut milk and a loaf of Italian bread. So those are all the components. Of course, we need a fork to mash up the banana and mix everything together, and a nice sized bowl. So I'm gonna get everything sort of started, put together, and see how it goes. So once you get the banana in the bowl, you gotta mush it up with the fork. Alright, so you wanna get it all mushed up. Alright, then we're gonna take the coconut milk and put that in with the banana, mix it up. Mix all that up. Alright, so you can kind of see what that looks like. It's pretty thick. Should be good to put onto the bread. Alright, so we're going to heat up the grill.
I'm missing some ingredient. Vanilla?
Oh, yeah, I need some vanilla. Do you have vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we're going to add some vanilla to it also. Oh, and some cinnamon also. Not prepared. Okay, so also gonna add a little bit of vanilla. Probably about a teaspoon. And get the lid off. Just kind of estimate, eyeball it there. And then about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix that all together. Alright, then we're going to take our loaf of Italian bread, cut that up. Alright, so we got about a ½ inch slice of bread there. And I'm going to put it into the coconut milk. Just kind of float it on top. Flip it over on the other side. And then we're going to put all this onto the grill. Let's see how that goes here. Alright, so we got it on the grill. Just gonna let it toast up. Alright, I'm gonna try flipping it over here. Not sure. Kinda interesting, a little bit different.
Good right here. Smoky.
Okay, so we have sort of the finished product here, so my wife is gonna taste test it, so I get to poison her first.
My name is Deb. Just for those who need to know that.
Okay.
What would also
We
like-
forgot to bring the syrup, so that's all we have.
Yeah, but it's okay. This is a cute little. We stopped at Cracker Barrel for breakfast last weekend on our way back from another camping trip. And Doug ordered pancakes and eggs, and they gave him these 2 little syrups. And we had 1 bottle left. So thankfully, we have it today. Cuts like French toast.
Is it?
That's good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Can I try it?
No.
There you go.
Yeah, so you can try it.
I guess it's a hit.
That's pretty good. I'm surprised.
Yep, it's very good.
And by the way, we say goodbye to all vanity when we're camping.
Vanity. All right, well,
Yep.
hope you enjoy the French toast recipe on the grill. You could probably do it at home too, with the frying pan.
Mm-hmm.
All right, off to make some more.
Mm-hmm.